my subscribers and my viewers and my family and my friends. How are you this morning? I've got a new apron. Can you see my new apron? Let me step back and show you my apron. Can you see it? Alright. Let me show you my beautiful apron. Can you see it, guys? My subscribers? Alright. Alright, I'm just kidding. How you doing today? Are you okay? Alright. This morning, I'm going to show you how I boil my porridge. Look at it. I'm going to put banana and oats porridge this morning. Alright. And here is my milk. And here's my sugar. So I'm going to grater for it to be not too much of a lump and too much of a grain. I'm going to grater it in my grater, and then I blend it in my blender over here along with my oats. Over here now I have my pot with my boiling water, and I put a cinnamon in it, and I have my cinnamon powder over here also, but I don't have any vanilla. Can't remember to buy my vanilla, so it's stuck here. My cinnamon powder and my cinnamon stick. But when making porridge, you put any spice you want to put in it, okay? Any spice, vanilla, almond, anything at all you want to make porridge. But I'm just going to use what I have this morning. Alright, so here is my water and my cinnamon powder and my cinnamon stick. So watch as I go. I'm gonna make porridge. Do you like porridge? So here I am now. So I'm going to blend together, and there's my spoon and my knife, and this is my banana. I cut it already. Alright, so how is it going so far? Did you stop to pray this morning? God has been so good to us. Alright. It doesn't matter if the skin is on it. It doesn't really matter. So this is, I don't have to wash. So I'm going to grater, and then I'm going to blend. But if you just want to blend it, that's okay. That's fine if you just want to blend everything together. So I'm going to show you how I grater my banana. You love my apron? Wow. I've got two of them, two different colors. I bought it at the store yesterday. Can you see? Maybe I put can see this is my plantain, my banana and plantain this time, and my oats. All right, but you can blend it with your plantain, green plantain also, right? So I'm going to blend it now. See my blender? Alright, it's my blender there. So I'm going to put some water in it. And my oats is has some like strawberries and different fruits in it. That's how I bought it at the store. You have some oats that have fruits in it. Blackberries are so in it, okay? So you can get it at the store. But this is how I'm going to make mine this morning. So you can try it at home and tell me what kind of porridge do you make at home. Have you ever tried this one before? Look at it. Also, you can put a little of your milk in it. Right? Let me pour it out in something. Okay, this one. I can use the same. You can see. I think I'm going to put one more banana in it. I'm going to try it with one more banana. What as I do, guys. One more banana. I think it needs one to make it, to give it a thicker porridge. I'm going to put one more banana in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same water to blend it. So one more. See? Can you see it? So I'm going to, I have one more here, so I'm going to just put it in. If you don't want to grate, you don't have to grate it. But you can just cut it up and then blend it. But I think I'm going to, for it to have a smoother taste, smoother look. And you make your porridge in whatever form you want, or whatever way, and you put whatever you want in your porridge, alright? So my water is over there boiling, alright? So I'm going to put this in this one here. No more water, it's just the same water. Can you see? And I have some left over. And my water is boiling, so watch as I go. Here my water is boiling. And as I said before, you use whatever. Can you see my pot? Alright, let me know if you can see my pot. Alright? Okay? And let me know if you like my apron, my new apron. Alright? So there's my water here, boiling away. So I'm going to put my banana and plantain. Now if it's too much, you can see the cinnamon on top. And where are you watching from, and how is your day going so far? And let me know if you ever try this porridge before. Just watch as I go. And it is getting thicker. You can see? And if it's too much, you can put some away in your refrigerator for another day, and you boil it another day. All right? All right, just watch as I go. All right, so you can see my porridge here. I'm gonna tip a little tips of salt in it. All right, you can see. And I have my nutmeg over here. So this is my nutmeg. So I'm going to tip a little tips of nutmeg. As you can see, it's getting there. So it's green bananas with oats. Let me know if you ever tried it before, or if you never tried, you can try it now, or whatever time you have. All right, you can see. And my oats, it has strawberry, blackberries, and almond in it. You can get it at the store to buy. All right, you can see my porridge. All right, and I have a little bit more milk here, so I'm going to put it in it. It doesn't matter, you can put water in it and mix it out and throw it in, and you can put it in this way. Nothing is wrong as long as it is mixed out. You can see, just a little. And I just do like this. And this porridge take like 20 minutes, or I would roughly say, because the oats easily to cook, but the banana takes a little bit longer, so it's like half an hour. All right, you can see, all gone, and in no time this would melt away. All right, this is a powder milk, because I don't use the condensed milk. And you put whatever, and you gauge your fire like this, way down, and stay there and simmer. Okay? No lump. You can see. And over here I have my hot water. My hot water is here, so in case it needs some water, I put it in. So always have hot water on this side. So I have cinnamon stick, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, milk, oats, and green bananas. That's all I use in my porridge. Whenever I add like almond or anything, vanilla, I put it. But I use in what I have now. Alright? You can see? You can try it. And you make it your texture, whatever you want. If you want it thick, thin, very thick, very thin, you can do it. Okay? My subscribers and viewers, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for the support that you have been giving me. Thanks a lot. Viewers, subscribers, family, friends, everyone, my loved ones, my neighbors, everyone. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you. I love you. Just watch as I go. I'm going to let it stay there, simmer down for a few more minutes. So it takes like roughly half an hour, or maybe 25 minutes to cook. Alright, you take care. Just keep watching. So my subscribers and viewers, it's a bit thick, so I'm going to put some hot water on it. Alright, so watch as I go. You can see. See, you can spice it up with whatever you want, and make a comment, man. Let me know if you ever tried this porridge before. Okay, and you put anything, plantain, anything with your oats, you blend it together. And one of these days I'm going to show you how I make my my oats with bright banana and whatever I have. I'm going to show you how I make it. All right, you can see. Thanks for watching. Yes, my subscribers and viewers, as you can see, my porridge is all finished. I'm going to take out my cinnamon stick that I can mix it easily. All right, and if it's leaves, you can take out the leaves also. All right, so I'm going to put it here. So let me turn off my fire. So as you can see, okay, I'm going to put, this is my sugar. I'm going to put my sugar in, and you put it to your taste. Put it to your taste. All right, mix your porridge to your taste. I don't use a lot of sugar. You can mix it to your taste, and you use whatever milk you want to use. All right, you can see, and this is my finished powder. All right, you want to put more milk in it, fine. If you want to put more sugar in it, that's okay. All right, anything you want to put in it, you put in it, that's okay. But this is my banana and oats porridge. All right, if you want to put coconut milk in it, that's okay also. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. Blessing and peace to you all. God bless you, so you can try my porridge. All right.